Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about SEO and I will try to cover as much as possible SEO explanation in a short time. I will give you an example and a practical example to make you guys understand. So let's start with the word SEO. So basically there are three letters S, E and O. So what is the meaning of SEO? S for search, E for engine, and O for optimization. So SEO's abbreviation is search engine optimization. So here question comes. What is search engine optimization? How it works? And why is it become more important part in online world nowadays? So basically SEO is the process of growing a website's organic search traffic. You do this by ranking in organic search result. Basically SEO is important because you are unlikely to rank well without it. Ranking high gets you free, passive, and consistent traffic month after month. So let's take a look on a practical example. For example, let's suppose you live in California and you want to buy red shoes. So what would you search on a Google? Let's say red shoes in California. You will see the result. There are hundreds of websites on the Google on that specific keyword, red shoes in California. So there are multiple websites that are on the next pages, but there are 100% chance you will never go to these pages because you will get your information, your product or services on first top 10 websites. So that means if you have a website, you have to do a proper SEO to get in on the top 10 list because no one want to go to 8, 10th or multiple and many pages. So all you have to do, for example, this website, site Lensby, this did the proper SEO to get on the top on website. So that means if you want to buy a shoes, obviously first priority you will click this website, or maybe you can purchase the your specific your desired item. So basically, this is the simple and easy explanations what is SEO. So I hope you guys understand what is SEO, and after this video, I will make another videos with the tools and more explanation. So that was a little bit summary in a short time. I hope you like this video. See you in next.